these are the looks. I feel like this is a very cohesive looking set. We're gonna take plate 280 and we're gonna use rind B346, and this is gonna be level 1 easy FAIRYCORE nail art. Things are gonna progress and get harder as we go on, but let's start off with like the fun, easy, chill designs. And this one is going to be with plate MXM 124. Now, if you don't have this plate, this was a part of our Mani by Me. This is also a pretty easy look, so I think you guys will be happy. I'm giving you some quick ones, and then I'm going to give you some intermediate and advanced as well. So this is a faster way for me to apply the color here without having to use the smudge-free topper or the aqua topper. Look at this gorgeous like dragonfly wing, and then we're doing one more, and you're going to use straight up black. Now you have a really cute butterfly wing nail. Now let's see, M066. So this, we're gonna jump into a bit of reverse stamping now. And we're gonna take seaweed again. And we are going to take our detail brush and we're gonna color in the design with seaweed. Isn't it so cute? Hold on, let me show you guys what it would have looked like. You get some little green sparkle in the wings. So we're gonna take green polish, the rind polish from earlier, and I'm going to take a long striping brush. We're gonna go ahead and line the entire nail with this pretty green. And so here we are. Yay! Go out into the nail art world, create a bunch of FAIRYCORE designs. Bye everyone!